Hello there, I'm Natalie, and I'm a full-time lazy person. That's my occupation. Raise your hand if you're lazy and proud. High five. Today I wanted to do a nighttime routine for you guys since there has been so many requests for it. I'm super excited because this video is partnered with Olay. A huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video. I'll be sharing with you guys the Olay daily facials, which are bomb, and I wanted you to experience them as well. So I'm going to be giving away one of these to one of you, so stick to the end to find out how to get it. I'm going to show you my go-to nighttime routine hacks and DIYs for all my lazy people out there to help you relax and unwind. Hold up, I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving one lucky subscriber a Canon camera. Woo! To enter, just subscribe to become a part of the family, and that's it. It's that simple. I challenge you guys to get this video to 500,000 thumbs up. You guys have been beating every single one of my challenges, so I dare you to turn this to this by clicking below and hitting that thumbs up. I want to give a huge shout out to Joyce for watching my videos. Thank you so much. So if you want a shout out in my next video, just comment below #notification_squad, and I will be choosing one of you if you're here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. So make sure you're here early. Add me on Instagram because I'm doing a huge giveaway where I'm giving my favorite Polaroid, makeup, brushes, stationery, basically Natalie's essentials to you. And don't forget, I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Let's get on to the video. After a long day, I know the first thing I want to do when I get home is to take it all off. That goes for my bra, constricting day clothes, pants, socks, everything, and of course, my makeup. And after a long day at school, I become more and more lazy, and trust me, the last thing I want to do is go through a tedious skincare routine that involves cleansing, exfoliating, toning, moisturizing. I mean, ain't nobody got time for that, for real. So here's a simple hack for all my lazy people. Instead of using your time to go through a long skincare routine, hack it with Olay Daily Facials. This is my go-to makeup remover at the moment because for all my lazy girls like myself, I need one product to do it all. It's simple to use for those that are in a hurry, and the interesting part is the cloths are actually nice and dry. This little container makes it great for easy transport throughout the day, and it smells amazing. It's super simple to use. All you need to do is wet the cloth, and you'll notice an amazing lather just by adding water, and you can reuse the same cloth by dipping it back in the water. From my personal experience, I found that the key to healthy skin is to make sure your skin is clean enough so it can absorb good products. So instead of using harsh chemical soaps that can strip your natural moisture, I rely on these daily facials to help me out. It doesn't feel like the typical makeup remover that leaves your face feeling dry, but instead it hydrates, which is essential in nourishing and healing my skin. And now it's time for dinner, my favorite part. If your carrots are looking a bit not appetizing, no worries, here's a quick and lazy person hack. All you need to do is take a sponge like this one and just scrub, and in seconds you will see all the not so pretty sides brighten up into a beautiful orange color. And instead of squeezing a lemon and having the juice and seeds fall throughout the entire salad, use a fun kitchen gadget like this one to help you evenly spray it on. After the gym, I like to freshen up my skin, but I don't enjoy taking multiple products when I could just take one. Plus, I'm always worried the products will spill and cause a huge mess. So instead, I take my handy dandy Olay facial wipes as I know it's an all-inclusive product and the cloths are nice and dry, so I don't have to worry about any mess or any cloth dry out. I love how inexpensive this product is, and it can be found at all drugstores, and you can buy them at olay.com or click on the direct product link in the description. And on the go to freshen up, I just take some water, lather it up, and refresh and nourish my skin. Literally the best post-workout facial. Every night before going to bed, I love doing my favorite thing, which is unwinding by reading your comments. You guys seriously mean the most to me, and I'm so grateful every day for the connection and family we've built. I'm so appreciative for all my loyals and also the new members of the family. I just want you guys to know your love never goes unnoticed, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Usually around this time, I find my neck and back getting tired of looking down, so I turn on the TV and watch an episode or two of Jane the Virgin, my absolute favorite show, and Gina Rodriguez is my all-time favorite actress. But if I'm still fidgety, what I'll do is get more comfortable is pull out one of these. These pouch couches are my favorite for hackifying comfort. I like to create a pamper session for myself because I deserve it and so do you. I'll start off by creating a DIY moisturizing face mask. To be extra certain that all my makeup is off and my skin is cleansed, all I do is take an Olay facial wipe, and with some scissors I'll trace out where my eyes, nose, and mouth would be. Then I'll dip it in water, lather it on, and tone and leave it on my skin for a relaxing facial. This process helps to tone, hydrate, and you can even exfoliate the skin for a silky smooth spa feel. And the best part is, it's right at home. I also like to take this time to remind myself for all the things I'm grateful for the things I did throughout the day, and also paint my nails and just relax. And because I want you to also experience this spa right at home, I'm going to be giving one of these away to one lucky subscriber. Just make sure you follow me on Instagram and comment on this picture, hashtag #OlayIsBae, and that's it. I'll announce the giveaway winner in 1 week. My favorite thing to do at night is to nurture my interests, and I encourage you to take time for yourself and do the same. It can be anything from reading a good book to painting to making a fun meal. Just make sure you're having a great time and you're relaxed, because at the end of the day, you want to end the day on a high note so your body is fully relaxed for the next day. Cherries are a great light snack right before bed. However, the seed can be a little tedious to remove, so here's a quick food hack. Take a bottle and lay the cherry on top. With a long pick, poke the cherry through and the seed will pop right off. Check out my sleep hack video where I show you some amazing ways to fall asleep faster, and one of them includes cherry juice. I know, kind of weird. Click this little eye right here to watch it now. And right before bed, the last thing I do is to set the mood by lowering the intensity of the lights in my room. It's proven that yellow tone lights help signal your mind and body, hey, it's time to relax and sleep, while white and blue lights, like the ones given off of electronics, counteract sleep. With this simple routine hack, you will naturally make your body get tired, and before you know it, you'll be sound asleep. Feeling so relaxed. Oh, my skin looks amazing. If you enjoyed today's night hack video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also, check out my last video right over here by clicking on it, where I show you the best sleep hacks when you can't fall asleep. Subscribe right over here by clicking on my face. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And just make sure you have notifications turned on by clicking on this little bell right over here, and that way I can see you twice a week. Wouldn't you want to see me twice a week? I know you do. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye!